This is Narmo here, and today we'll be reviewing a new money making app. This app is called Big Cash, and it is one of the highest paying money making app on the Android store or the Google Play Store. So without further ado, let's get into the app. As you can see, there are many ways to earn on this app. As you can see, there is a daily check-in in which every day, every 24 hours, you will be receiving 10 coins just by checking in. And you have the featured offers in which you can earn 30 to 60 coins per offer. Then you have the recommended hot offers such as Add Gem and Offer Turo. And then you have the other recommended hot offers which are AdSense Media. You can also earn by referral. This app has a referral system. You can earn by sharing through WhatsApp, sharing on Instagram, Facebook, and sharing on Twitter. Through this app you can also play games. And another way to earn is to scratch and win. Every 3 hours you will get an opportunity to scratch 3 cards which can contain from 0 to 50 coins. So here you can see the different ways to earn. So let's move to the gift card section. Here is where you will convert your points into gift cards and cash. As you can see, you have two different ways to cash out in PayPal, which is a $15 PayPal cash and $35 PayPal cash. The $15 PayPal cash only needs 2,500 coins, and for $35 PayPal cash you need 5,000 coins. And another way to cash out is through Google Play gift cards, which is the same as the PayPal cash. And you can cash out through Amazon gift cards, Steam gift cards, iTunes gift cards, PSN gift card, and also Xbox Live gift cards. So let me show you the invite friends section. So guys, I will be leaving my invitation code in the link in the description below. Guys, please support me, guys. If you input my invitation code on the app, you'll earn an extra 70 coins just by signing up through my link. So guys, please support this channel, guys, and sign up through my link, guys. I really appreciate it. As you can see, my invitation code. And the game now, here is not a way to earn coins, but is a way for just recreational purposes and just enjoying yourself through the app. You can play up to 150 plus games without requiring you to install. And as you can see the note here, you don't get coins from this section. So that's the downfall here. And guys, here is where you would input my invitation code, and see guys, you would receive 70 coins when you input my invitation code. So it's a win-win situation for us both. And here is the scratch card section, and here is the more section which can give you different information about the app and everything else. And at the top right corner you'll see the amount of coins you currently have in your account. So guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment down, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.